The option evaluation tool allows you to choose between different options using multiple criteria. It can be used to bring together the alternative potential strategies defined in the option development tool and the goals previously defined using the goal assessment tool as criteria. In this way, it becomes possible to compare how well any alternative strategy would perform in delivering the goals your organization has set. It also allows you to identify which option is best if certain criteria were to change in importance, either becoming more or less important. You create an option evaluation tool simply by clicking on New in the menu. As always, you use then the icons from left to right, starting with the header to write in the key question. Let's assume you want to buy a car and want to use the tool to help you identify which model is the best choice for you. First, I click on Option and give the option a title. Then add the next option you want to evaluate. In the next step, you want to set up criteria for the evaluation. Click on Criterion and type in your first criterion. Continue in the same way with as many criteria you want to use for the evaluation. As a next step, you define the perspectives. In our case, we are just choosing one view to keep it simple. Theoretically, you can add, for example, different time frames or choose different personal views or organizational perspectives. If you think that some of the criteria are more important for the evaluation than others, you can change the weighting of each criterion. The rating scale is based on relative rather than absolute measures. A +10 rating for a criterion means that relative to the other criteria, the criterion is most important. In our case, we allocate a criteria the same weight, except purchase price, that we see as slightly more important than other criteria. Now that you set up all the options, the criteria, the perspectives and the weighting, you can start evaluating the options. It is helpful to start with one criterion against all options, as the rating scale, again, is based on relative measures. If you look at the example criterion purchase price, I gave the rating 8, 6 and 2. Model 1 with the highest score is the car with the lowest price. And if I would look exclusively at this criterion, Model 1 would be the best choice for me. If you want to see the results, click on Visualizations, go to Quick View and select the visualization with one chart. You can see now that all options have a similar rating. However, the Model 3 is slightly better than the Model 2 and 1, although the price is higher. These are the most important features of the option evaluation tool. There are still some more functions in the tool. If you are interested to learn more, you can find further information if you click on the Help button. If you want to go more in depth, the Parmenides Foundation is also offering training courses. You can find more information on the website.